All right, I'm live Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa here with a radar forecast, and I want to show you down here. This is 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock this evening, and that's where we look for the severe storms to come across the southwestern part of the lower peninsula during the overnight hours. That's 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, and then a second wave of severe storms, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, could hit the southwestern part of the state, especially heavy rain, maybe perhaps damaging winds. And then the next thing, let's go through Friday and let's go all the way through Saturday and notice how the storminess is quieting down. I think a good sign, the upper level high is building in, the air is stabilizing, and a lot of summery weather on the way this weekend after the storms.